Morning, morning. New week. We have a short week this week. So let's see. I'm watching AMD, Meta, Microsoft, AI, Coin. There's a few very good setups like AI and even Microsoft that is holding 370,
Morning.
the same level that
Morning.
I've been playing
New
the
week.
past few
We have a
days,
short
weeks
this week.
on Microsoft.
So
Let's see if Microsoft
I'm
can
watching
hold
AMD, Meta,
Microsoft
370.
AI Coin. There's a
That
few
could be a good
very good
opportunity.
setups like
The only thing that
AI
I don't like here is that we
and
have a
even
short week.
Microsoft that is holding
That could be a
370,
little
the
bit
same level that I've been
weird.
playing
New
the
week,
past
so
few
we have
days,
no
short
swings
weeks this week
on Microsoft.
So
I will
let's
say
see
options
Microsoft
this
can
week
hold
it
AMD,
would
Meta,
be
Microsoft
only
only
for
AI
scalps.
Coin. There's a
That could be a
few
good
very good
opportunity.
setups like
The only thing that I
AI
don't like here is that
and
we have a
even
short week.
Microsoft that is
Welcome.
holding
That could be a
370,
little
the
bit
same level that I've been
weird.
playing
New
the
week,
past
so
few
we have no
days, short
swings.
weeks this
I
week
honestly, I don't even.
So
I will
let's
say
see
options
Microsoft
this
can hold
week
AMD
it
here
would
because I have my
be
streams
only
on
for
AI
scalps.
Coin trading. There's a
That
few
could be a good
very
opportunity.
good
The only day that I
setups
really
like
want to The only
AI
thing that I don't like
Wednesday
here is that
and
we have a
even
short week.
Microsoft
Be a good day for
holding
scalp.
370, the same level that I've been
Nvidia
playing the
has
past
so
few
we have
days,
no
short
swings.
weeks this
I honestly,
week
I don't even
I
want
will
to
say
say
Microsoft
options
can
this
hold
week
AMD
it
here
would
because I have my
be
streams
only
on
for
AI
scalps.
Coin trading. There's a
That
few
could be a good
very good
opportunity. The only day that I
setups
really
like
want.
oh I can hear ya. Should be no echo now. Okay, Meta is at 336. That's my level on Meta. Let's see if we can hold that level. Yeah, 336 is the level that I want to see Meta holding. Netflix 468. Ooh, that's a gap fill. Okay, I'm taking profits on my Netflix swing. Yeah, that's my level on Netflix. That's the entire gap. That's 100% on Netflix. On that Netflix swing. Okay, that was beautiful. Okay, so the Q, let's see how it's gonna react to 388 and it's by 452, 451 is the resistance here. Okay. So yeah, the Netflix trade is pretty much done. It filled the entire gap. Damn, what's going on with Meta? Microsoft at 370. Okay, so Meta it's long gone. I cannot trade Meta anymore. That was too fast. Too fast and furious. 192 is the level that I'll be watching on Apple. Let's see Microsoft. Oh, I'm taking profits on Microsoft also. So I guess today for me is just a day to take some profits and yeah. Apple is like flying. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, okay, so yeah, I'm gonna wait it to see how SPY is gonna react here of 354, 354, I'm sorry, 352 so far. The Q is at 388, which is the resistance that I have. I want to see how SPY is going to react to 352, and that would be my trade because I'm having a fantastic Monday without even doing anything thanks to Netflix and Microsoft already. So, yeah, let's see if Meta can give us a retest of AI. AI is flying also. It's at 30.50. Damn. Okay, let's see how much I'm up here on AI. I'm gonna take profits on AI, a little bit of profits also on AI. And yeah, beautiful, beautiful Monday. The power of swing trading. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna wait and see how 452 is gonna react on SPY, 388 on the Q, which is just there. Um, Meta fighting with the 388, I'm sorry, 338 level. If breaks and retests 338 could be a good entry there. We could have a good entry there. I'm taking profits on pretty much everything because we have a short week. So premium is gonna eat up pretty fast. It's better to be safe than sorry. Mm, no, you don't have to increase. You use the same number of contracts. Oh yeah, well when you buy, yeah. So right now I'm gonna trade on a group of 15 contracts. So yeah, 15 accounts. So if I wanna buy one per account, I put 15 in here. So I'm gonna put Meta here in case. Yeah, I wanna see if Meta can hold 388 as support. And if Microsoft can hold 376 as support, that's extremely bullish also. AI is flying. My main PT on AI, it's around a little bit before 32, like before 32. I'm looking for this week to get filled. Well, you guys know if you are on my Discord, you know that I'm looking for that week to get filled. That's my main PT on AI. Mm-mm-mm. But most likely I'm gonna be out of everything or like 99% of all my swings today. I don't wanna like swing trade anything this week. Or at least not with a big position. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. So I only see you guys like really commenting when something is wrong. Like I have more comments on the echo than anything else. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, let's see. So the market is just stuck there. But so far, it's still looking bullish because it's still holding. Okay, Meta is looking great. Just be patient here. Uh, I don't want to take anything with the SPY and the Q being a resistance. I want to see that resistance get break, and then we can trade the upside here. But also, even though it's a resistance, I don't want to play the downside because so far it's looking bullish. It's above pre-market high. It's making higher high, higher low. So far, I don't see anything that says that it's rejecting resistance. It's just there. It's not moving. Both the SPY and the Q are not really moving. The only thing that I see flying is AI. I mean, my Monday couldn't get even ever like better. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, depending how this 5 minute candle is gonna close on the queue, I'll see if I wanna like play this up. I'm gonna play the upside here on futures based on the 388 level on the queue, but kind of feel scared of playing the upside here with the SPY not above 452. I want to see a SPY above 452. That would be better. It will be better to wait and see how a SPY is gonna act at 452. And so far, the Q is looking super bullish. AI is looking amazing. Anybody got it on Meta at that 338 retest? No, I'm not gonna be here until 1. Why? I don't want to trade with bonds coming in, bonds action coming in. No, I still have more than 10 runners on AI. I had I have a lot of contracts. I had a lot of contracts on AI. Over 30 contracts because it was too cheap. It was $80. I got a few around 75, $76. It was extremely cheap and easy. AI was too easy. Mm, I haven't entered anything today. Only took profits on some profits on Netflix, Microsoft, and AI. Um, yeah, I entered on Friday. Look, that was too easy. It was beautiful, beautiful, easy. It looks just like Tesla, the Tesla play that I took last week. Like exactly the same chart as Tesla. Mm, it was Tesla, yeah. Tesla, I think I took the play here or here. I don't remember, but it looks exactly just like this Tesla chart. And Tesla, it looks like it wants to go. Let's see if Tesla. Let's see. Intraday looks weak, but if it goes to 230, Tesla looks like a 3-bar play, like a possible 3-bar play on the daily. But I need to see it like better move intraday because on the 5 minute looks weak, but I like the daily. Okay, I'm gonna take Tesla. Tesla looks great. And it's gonna be, yeah, for the 24. Let's see. 235 calls. It's gonna be a day trade. I'm not looking to like swing trade Tesla. And it's hard to have a stop loss on Tesla because I can see it can go to 230. But obviously, if it goes to 230 today, those contracts are gonna be down a lot because this week is only a 3 days week, trading week. Decisions. What should I do here? Hi. Yeah, my stop loss is gonna be 230. So you guys know if it goes to 230, the premium is gonna be like zero. It's gonna be like down 100%. But I might buy more at 230 because yeah, I like that 230 hole. If you wanted like a safe bet on Tesla, take for next week. Swing trade? Well, obviously to this week is a short week, so you don't want to swing trade anything because premiums are just gonna be jack this week. But the trend is the one that it tells you how to swing trade. That's exactly what I teach on my mentoring program, how I swing trade. Okay, 452. If 452 on SPY acts as support, I'm gonna play the Q upside. Or SPY. It can either be either or. It's pretty much both look exactly the same. I like a SPY has a gap above the blue level. The blue level on on my chart is a gap. Apple is looking great also. Yeah, I'm gonna start buying here. I'm playing the upside on the Q. I like the hold of Apple 191. If Apple can keep holding there, I like that hold. The Meta never gave me the pullback that I wanted. Well, it did here, right here. I just didn't took it. But yeah, the pullback on Meta was here. But Meta it's long gone. But the plan was pretty good. I just didn't take that trade. So yeah, we want to see Apple holding 191. That's gonna help the market go higher. Mm. Okay, so on AI, I want to see some consolidation here around 3.50. That would be pretty healthy if can give you some consolidation around here. Maybe hold the VWAP and then can keep going higher. But it's looking pretty good. What's my next? I don't have a next resistance on the queue. Mm, can be 392 around there. It's before 392. So yeah, we're looking good. We only need Tesla here to change direction. Again, I can see Tesla going to 230. If it goes to 230 and holds there, I'll add more. Ooh, I don't like that move on Apple. I need Apple to hold here. If Apple loses here, that's gonna mess up my trade, my futures trade. Let's see. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close on Apple, but so far it's not looking good. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, Apple is it's gonna drag the market down. But I don't know. I don't feel like selling if it's still above 388 and SPY 452, even though it's a SPY looking like it's having trouble here. Ooh, AMD is approaching 122, which is the level to watch on AMD. I don't feel like it, I feel like everything it's just stopped moving. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, definitely. You're right. Microsoft is holding pretty good, which I think it's helping the Q also holding here. So if you guys are not on Microsoft, enter in here. I will say it's not a bad risk to reward if you use a stop loss like VWAP. If not, the perfect entry, I will say like the better entry will be waiting for a break of Friday high and then use it as support. So it's pretty much today's high. I'm not gonna play Microsoft because I have runners there. I have runners on Microsoft, Netflix, AI, and I entered Tesla today, and the Q more than enough for me. Yeah, I took the 235 calls on Tesla, not 265 that I post on the Discord. Okay, so Microsoft is looking weak. Apple is looking weak. I kind of feel like getting out of this trade on futures because I don't like how Microsoft and Apple are looking right now. But SPY and the Q are holding above VWAP. SPY is looking better than the Q. Gonna wait a little bit. You just gotta put the same amount of accounts you have in the group that you're trading. So in this group, I have 15 accounts. So I put 15 when I buy a contract because 15 it means I'm buying one contract per account. Okay. Let's see. 388. It's my stop loss around 388, the VWAP on the Q. Okay, I got out. AMD needs to be above 122 and hold it as support. If it is just at 122, I'm not gonna enter AMD. I put an alert on AMD. Needs to be above 122 and use it as support. And right now the market's not looking too strong. Only Tesla that it's bouncing. Ooh, that's an ugly 1 hour candle on Microsoft. If the Q just stopped me, I'm gonna be so mad. No, I use the 5 minute chart. I enter on the 5 minute chart. This is so slow. I'm gonna go for more coffee. I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Okay, I'm back. Nothing happened. Only Tesla. Yeah, Tesla is a 3 bar play on the daily. Tesla's looking pretty good. Mm, yeah, you can group then the evaluation or the PA. Nvidia 500. Yeah, I'm not even gonna waste my time looking at Nvidia. Yeah, that's why I wanna trade. I really wanna trade Wednesday, not today, not tomorrow, because everything's gonna be waiting for Nvidia. So I was thinking on skipping today and tomorrow and only trade Wednesday. Mm-mm-mm. Spy is gonna get me. I'm gonna get in on Spy again. Wait, I'm gonna wait a little bit to see how this 5 minute candle is gonna close on Apple. Because this is still under 191 and under the VWAP, which is bearish. But the SPY is like tempting me here. Yeah, it's not worth it. I don't even like trading Nvidia on the day to day. Only if I see like a A+ setup, I will trade Nvidia. But if not, it's too risky. I prefer to make money on something that it has less risk than Nvidia, and it's cheaper. Hmm, 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 hmm. Just waiting and waiting. Damn, AI at almost at 31.50. Oof. Mm. I don't know if I want to trade anything here. Like, I think the entry for put was here. Now looking at these wicks on SPY. Yeah, I think now to play the downside is a little bit late for me unless I see the Q like trying to retest VWAP or 388. But also I don't feel like comfortable playing the downside here. And I'm pretty happy with my trades on Microsoft, AI, and Netflix. So I don't know if I want to trade anything else. Tesla is doing nothing. And I need Tesla to move. Either to go to 230 or just go to 230, 240. But here, just not moving. For me, is losing because we have a short week. So I need Tesla to move. Mm. This is this type of uh AI. What do you mean? What's AI? This is AI. AI, it's AI. That's the name of the company and the ticker. C3 AI. Let's see if I can find anything, but I don't want to force. Oh, what's Meta? Ooh, Meta is back at 338. I like Meta here. Meta could be another good one, but I'm not gonna enter this one. And it's under. So I would like to see Meta kind of consolidating around here, around 338, but holding VWAP as support, because if it's under VWAP, it's bearish. I don't think SPY gonna wanna go lower. Doesn't look like it wants to go lower. Okay, let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close here on the SPY. It closes like strong above 452. I'm gonna try to play here the upside with futures. But if it closes with a wick at the top, I'm not trading anything. I'm not trading that. Like I can see like a very good setup to play the downside here, but I don't know. I don't feel comfortable trading the downside. Because I can see the market not like wanted to go lower. Yeah, if Meta is holding 338, but if SPY and the Q keep looking bearish, I don't want to enter anything to the upside. And I don't think I'm gonna enter anything else besides a future trade, but options, no. I don't think I have a lot of like positions open on options. So it's up to you guys if you want to trade Meta or not. Okay, I'm gonna try SPY here to the upside. My stop loss is gonna be VWAP. I don't think AI is looking weak. It's still holding 31, which looks like previous resistance. And now so far it's acting as support. But I'm not even gonna look Meta. Like, I'm sorry, AI. I'm up a lot there. If Meta if loses 31, you're gonna see it going around 30.50, 30.60. That's the level you want to see it holding now. Like something like this, maybe. VWAP. I will say this. But it's holding here this previous resistance, kind of acting as support right now. So that's what. It's not looking weak. It's still in an uptrend. And bigger time frames, 15 and 30 minutes, yeah, maybe it's gonna give you a pullback to 30.80. I can see it going back down to 30.80. But this is still bullish. Still look, the first 30-minute candle is pretty bullish. Now it's very normal to give you some consolidation or pullback. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, this is not looking good. What was that with Microsoft? The Q looks like a head and shoulder. It's under VWAP, so it's looking pretty bearish, but it's just not moving. That's how this type of like price action, it's what you get always when holidays are coming. Like we have Thanksgiving at the end of the week, and that's how also the market move on Christmas, on December. Okay, I like that on SPY. SPY just doesn't want to go lower. Mm, mm, mm. Spy is looking pretty good so far. Yeah, it's looking great. I want to see a strong close above 452. I want to see something like this one and this one, not these stupid wicks, or not this stupid wick. Tomorrow I'm not gonna be here on the stream tomorrow. Tomorrow is gonna be a dead day. Like, so I don't want to be here and just waste your time and my time sitting here trying to find a trade because tomorrow is definitely not a day that I want to trade. So take the day off tomorrow and be ready for Wednesday. Everything's gonna be waiting for Nvidia earnings, and it's after close tomorrow. So tomorrow is gonna be a very choppy sideways day. Yeah, not trading tomorrow, not doing the stream tomorrow, but I'll be here on Wednesday. I'm gonna post my charts on my Discord like always. I'm just not gonna be trading tomorrow. I got my new desk, like my standing desk and my walking pad. So most likely tomorrow I'm gonna be like working on that. So you guys gonna see me on Wednesday trading, walking, walking and trading. Oh, and the Apex 90% off is still running. I think it has like 8 more days, maybe, or 7. 8 more days, yeah. So yeah, 8 more days, and it's 50% off on resets. But I don't think it's worth buying a reset. Just if you need to a reset, just cancel that one or leave it there and buy a new one because it's cheaper. Buy a new evaluation account than paying for a reset. It's not worth it. Yeah, I always keep on Friday. I need to change my, not always. It's just like on Fridays that I know we're not gonna have like any good setups. Even though this Friday in the morning was ugly, was very choppy, but on the afternoon it was it gave you very good like easy setups to play. That's when I got AI on Friday. And I think Microsoft also. I, Let me check. I have two monitors. I'm thinking on changing one for a bigger one because I have this one that you guys see, but you only see like part of the screen. You cannot see the entire screen because YouTube doesn't allow like wide screens, like the entire screen. So you only have see these four parts, but I have two more charts on my right on the same desk screen. And then I have a smaller screen on my right. It's where I have Discord, I have the live stream, so I can check it out if it's running. And I also have the software OBS, which is the software where I run the streams. But I think I need to change this screen because it's getting smaller. Yeah, I've been paid like 5 times already. Yeah. Yeah, like 5 times already on Apex. The thing on Friday, Fridays are days that you don't want to be sitting on your screen just waiting for trades. So I had alerts on my on AI and Microsoft, and that's why I played both of them. They were both on my levels, on my supports. And the risk to reward was too good to not watch and trade that. To not put some risk there. Yeah. But Microsoft was a very, very good setup. And then on Friday afternoon it had like really bad news, and that thing went down a lot and then just went up again. So I think I wasn't watching the market when that happened. So I will say Microsoft was a little bit of bad luck and good luck that trade, because the setup was like perfect. Like it was there. It just we had bad news. So my I could have opened my Microsoft contracts today and been down 100%. Okay, I like that. If this 5 minute candle is gonna close like this, that means SPY is gonna keep going higher. I have most likely it's gonna go to at least to the start of the gap. Yeah, you're seeing in here. I use not a copy trader. I trade by groups on Tradeovate, which is pretty much the same, but it's not a copy trader. I'm already in SPY. Well, not in SPY. I'm already trading futures based on SPY. Oh, because I think I'm kind of far from the Microsoft. I'm sorry for from the mic. Um, I can be a little closer here. Mm-mm-mm. So I know it can seem a little bit complicated to trade these many uh accounts or more than one account on with Apex, but it's not. It's like very, very easy. You have a bunch of videos, tutorials on YouTube and also on the Apex website. Like I'm trading right now with 15, and you guys can see that I only like click one button and then click another one to get in and get out. Mm. Okay, we're looking good so far. Looking good. I'm just gonna let it ride. If I think as long as it's above VWAP or 452, it's bullish. Then if it pulls back here, but I see some more consolidation around here, around 452, I think I'm gonna add more. Come on, Tesla, just do something. Yeah, AI looking beautiful. Look this, it's consolidating above previous resistance. Pretty bullish. Yeah, I think AI is definitely going for the wick fill here. Look this. Looks like if you only see the daily candle, it looks weird. But look how like broke here, retest, and then held the support for 1, 2, 3, 4 days, and then you have the boom boom. Very easy, basic technical analysis. Look, looking amazing. I'll be taking more profits here because that will be like for me it's like a weak fill which I trade it like a gap fill. Something that I don't like much is this Microsoft chart. because it has a lot of like Microsoft went up today, filled the gap, and it reject the gap pretty hard. Look, it has strong rejection here this week, and it have this 30-minute candle is gonna close in 4 minutes. If it doesn't close like around here, around 376, 375.50, it's ugly. It's kind of bearish, but it's still holding 372, which we see it was resistance here, but now it's acting as support. But yeah, this 30-minute candle is not looking too good. But in intraday, it's not looking bad, even though it's under the VWAP. It needs to break the VWAP so we can see more upside here. And that's gonna help also the Q to move higher and the entire market to go higher. Hey Jay, thank you. Morning. So yeah, SPY looking pretty bullish. Let me take this out. Looks better. I like clean charts. Yeah, okay. Let me see if that's really the start of the gap. Why I have the gap like that? This gap is not. Why do you have that gap like that? The gap is starting on. I moved the gap. I don't know why. So the gap is like this. It's from 452 till 454.60. Yep. So we SPY is inside the gap. And this was a 3-bar play on the 30-minute chart. I just want to be break even here on futures, and I'll be happy because I kill it on options, but futures. I've noticed that my first, like lately, my first trade on future is red. So that means I need to work a little bit more on my patience, even though I think my trade, this red trade, it wasn't bad because I was taking the trade. I waited for the Q to break 388, and then I took it here, which is, I don't think it's bad. I don't think it's a bad entry. It just like faked me out here. Mm. So thank you guys for the likes and subscription. At let's see, over 1600 subs subscribe on my channel, which we're growing. We are growing. Yeah, 1.66. Thank you. It was, I think, last week when I was at 1.5, and now we're at 1.66. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. If you want to play the upside, um, yeah, the Q, if can hold the support, yeah, but the SPY is stronger. So I will prefer for to wait if you're looking right now to enter, which for me is too late. But if you want to enter anything, just wait for a pullback. I tried to be consistent here, but it's a little bit difficult for me because there's a like as a trader, I know there's a bunch of days that I should not be trading, but I do it because because I have the stream. But sometimes it's better to skip those days than being here just trying to look for like forcing trades. Like tomorrow. Tomorrow I know I should be doing a stream, but I also know tomorrow is I don't think I'm gonna be look like I don't think tomorrow is gonna provide any good setups. And if you see any good setups, I feel like I will feel a little bit worried trading anything because I know a day like tomorrow it can easily fake you out on anything. Look how slow it's been today. Today's gonna be worse. Tomorrow is a bad day because you have Nvidia earnings after the market close, and you have a short week. So the closer we get to the end of the trading week, the lower is gonna be the volume. The premium is gonna be not too good. If the market doesn't move, your contracts are gonna lose money. So, and you have Nvidia. Okay. I'm sorry, Tesla, can you just move? I don't know if we have a FOMC, honestly. I don't know. I don't think so. Not sure. Um, I'm gonna look for that. Oh yeah, we have FOMC tomorrow, but it's at 2 in the afternoon. And we have home sales at 10 a.m. Yeah, so I'm skipping tomorrow. Oh, but on Wednesday we have consumer sentiment at 10. Yeah, we have FOMC at 2, home sales at 10 a.m. Oh, we have this Fed speaking at 12. Most likely I'll be out of here at 12. Wednesday, we have consumer sentiments at 10. And this is important also, but I don't care when we have like important data pre-market, like that's fine for me. Friday, it's a half day. Please do not trade on Friday. Half days is very, very low volume day. And who's gonna be up early on a Friday after Thanksgiving? I know we have bond auctions today at 1. I don't know where the QQQ is gonna go. My next resistance is around above 390, 391. So between this support now, like previous resistance, this one you just need to just see how it's reacting there. The same with the SPY. SPY is it's like filling the gap. I don't know how if it is gonna go to 454 and fill the entire gap. I just need to see how it's gonna move here and how it's reacting. So far, it's looking good. Both the SPY and the Q. I like more SPY because the Q is just kind of stuck and not moving. But I think it's because of Nvidia earnings. That's why I think tech is not moving much. At least the Q. I can see SPY having a little resistance around 454, but the entire gap is still 454.50 around there. Yeah, a little bit higher, but still. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah. So today, as long as this is a SPY is above 452, I think I'm gonna hold my futures trade. And Tesla is looking great. I just need Tesla to go, but it's so far it looks pretty good. It definitely looks like a 3-bar play on the daily time frame, which I love. I love that setup. Pretty easy to trade also, especially if it is so close to a support. No, you join Apex and then you buy a evaluation account, and then after you pass the evaluation account, it's when you have a real one. But you first need to you go to Apex and look buy a evaluation account. No, I'm not gonna add. I'm not adding on anything. I had a very good entry on this trade on SPY or yes, whatever. But yeah, no, I'm not adding. I wanted to add if SPY was consolidating here around here, but it never gave me that, so I'm not adding here. Here's too high. It's kind of in the middle of the resistance and support. It could easily go against me if I add here. What do you mean with the earnings? You don't earn anything on evaluation accounts. Like the read account is when you pass the evaluation account. You don't earn anything. It's an evaluation account. So you cannot earn anything until you passed a evaluation account and you trade with the PA, the real one. That's when you make money, like real money. Why not Amazon? I don't know. So it's saying like why not Apple or why not I don't know. Mhm. Yeah, it's pretty much a paper account. Yeah. So you basically need to show Apex that you can trade. So why not Amazon? I saw Amazon when I was doing my watch list, but I don't like putting on my watch like I don't like watching too many charts at the same time. So I picked the one that I love. Those are the one that I looked to trade every day, like 3 max 4 and that's it. Like today I have Meta, I had Microsoft, AMD. I think that's it. So based on that and how it move when the market open is when I pick which one I want to trade. Or coin, but coin, I put an alert on coin and I don't think it never went off. I have no idea what coin's doing. But yeah, I wasn't watching Tesla and then somebody commented here and then I just went to Tesla daily chart and based on the daily chart is um how I decided to enter Tesla because I like how the daily chart is looking. Yeah, yeah, you have target profits on every single evaluation account. I'm sorry. You have target profits and you have trailing stop. So go to Apex. Okay, this is how you go to Apex. If you want to trade like me on Tradeovate, which is this is Tradeovate where I'm trading futures. You just go down, not the Rhythmic or Ninja Trade. You just go down to the Tradeovate accounts and then you pick which one you want to trade. You have each one has their own rules. You have it here. I have 50K, 25K, and I have the 100K statics. I have 3 different accounts. And then you pick which one you think it will be better for you. And yeah, and that's it. And then you get the evaluation account. Then when you pass that, you go to PAs, which is the real deal. And then for PAs, you only, I will say at the beginning, only just try to not lose your PA. Forget about making money. Just only try to be consistent and not lose your PA. Mm. And you have it here. You have everything here. Click this link and you have my code here. You have everything here. It's here. Hmm. So this is a 3-hour play. Mm-mm-mm. Do you see the resemble here? 3-hour play, 3-hour play. It can be also 4, but most likely it's 3. But yeah, details, I explained that on my mentoring program. How to spot a 3-hour play. Just like I explained how to play the Wix, which is what I did on AI. AI, uh, I enter AI here on Friday, around 29:30 around there, because I was looking to play this week here, which it's playing out right now perfectly. AI is looking beautiful. I don't know what you mean that it doesn't look like Tesla daily. Nice, you got 1 PA? Nice. I finally got 15. I'm 5 away from my main target, which is 20 PAs, which is the max number of PAs you can have on Apex. So far I have 15. But I'm trading today with the 15. I don't think I'm gonna trade always with all at the same time. I think I'm gonna divide them in groups again. Uh, no, not the monthly premium. Each evaluation account have different prices. You gotta go to Apex and see which one you want to pick. It give you the price there, and then you put the 90% off code, and it's around like $30 maybe. It's around. It depends which one you're getting. Like I think the 25K is like $20. The 50 is like 30 or something like that. Oh, thanks, Deborah. Let's go Tesla. Tesla's doing nothing, which it kind of makes me think that I might should have taken a contract for next week. Because if it doesn't move, it's gonna eat our premium on this short week. So the discount is for Black Friday, for Thanksgiving. So it's almost 12. I think I'm gonna leave in like 20 minutes, maybe 15. I don't have a target, but my next resistance is this line here, and the next one is this line, and the next one is the start of the gap. So I don't really have a target, but I will say it's yesterday high, and then Friday's open, and then Friday's close. I'm sorry, Thursday. So I'm sorry. I will say next target it will be Friday high, and then the next one is Thursday close, and then Thursday high, and then the gap. So that's why I put these red lines, that I know those red lines are resistance that I need to watch out. Oh, trading view, yeah. I just bought my. I think I renew my my yearly account on trading view. And if you use my code, my link on TradingView, you'll have 15. I think you get $15 off besides the Black Friday. Microsoft is hitting to 376, which is an important level. Like Microsoft 376 is a level to watch here. Let's see. You need Microsoft to break this high and use it as support. Yeah, 376. A little bit higher than 376, but that's a level to watch on Microsoft. Pretty much today high. Needs to break today's high. You have the link there. I'll just post the link there. I don't think I have the coordinates with the link. Let me recheck that. What? What the heck is that? Okay, so the market is not doing anything. Yeah, I'm getting out of here. So, I'm gonna hold this trade as long as SPY is above 452. My target is the first one is 454, and then is the entire gap fill, which is this entire blue area here. Yeah, Tesla, not selling Tesla, is doing nothing. But as long as above 230, it's bullish to me. And AI, I'm taking more profits here when this week get filled. I'm taking like most of my profit, and then I'm gonna leave a few runners just to see where it can go. But yeah, that's it. Microsoft, and also holding some runners on Microsoft. I want to see Microsoft breaking 376. I even could trade, like enter Microsoft again, more contracts for next week if can really break 376, and I see it holding a support. But so far, Microsoft is looking good, but yeah, it needs to break this resistance here, and I'll sell more when it breaks this 2-day high, and I'm just gonna leave some runners for tomorrow. It's very like I'll be pretty much all out, but holding like one or two at that time for tomorrow. But yeah, I'm not gonna be here tomorrow. I'll be here on Wednesday, because tomorrow is gonna be a dead day, so not worth trading tomorrow. So yeah, if you guys are trading and SPY in the queue, just check how the queue is gonna hold 388, SPY 452. Those are the levels that you want to see on the SPY holding and the queue holding. Tesla is doing nothing. 230 is the level that I'm watching. AI is looking great. Microsoft so far is looking great also. But yeah, that's pretty much my day. If its pi goes to 454, I have 5 contracts. If it goes to 454, I'm probably gonna sell 4 and just hold 1 to see if it's gonna like fill the entire gap today, which I don't know if that's gonna happen, because the market's moving so freaking slow that I don't know if that's gonna happen. I don't even know if it can go to 454. But again, as long as it keeps holding 452, I'm holding this trade, the futures trade. So yeah, guys, remember Apex 90% off, Black Friday sale. Very good opportunity if you want to try Forex. I'm sorry, what Forex? Futures, or if you want to have more than one and trade in groups like me. But yeah, thank you for everything. See you guys on Wednesday. No, mañana on Wednesday. Bye.